Hello, students. Today we're going to talk about something that is crucial for your communication skills, and that is active listening. Active listening isn't just about hearing words, it's about understanding the message behind them. It involves focused attention, empathy, and genuine engagement. Let's break it down into 5 key skills that can make you a better listener. These skills are essential not only for your professional settings, but in your everyday life. Let's start with the first one. Pay close attention. This one is simple but powerful. When someone speaks to you, give them your full focus. Don't let your mind wander or start planning your response while they're talking to you. If you can repeat or paraphrase what they've said, such as, "So, what I hear you saying is," and then finish the sentence. If you can do that, you're already on the right track. The next one is paraphrasing for clarity. Paraphrasing helps ensure you understand correctly. Try and say things like, "If I understand you correctly," you're suggesting that, and then finish the sentence. This shows you're engaged and willing to reflect their thoughts accurately. Use good body cues. Body language does matter, so make eye contact, nod when appropriate, and lean slightly forward. Your body should reflect your attention, making the speaker or your friend or whoever is talking to you feel heard and valued. Minimize distractions. Put your phone on silence or push your devices aside. Focus only on the person speaking. It's about showing that you value the conversation enough to give it your undivided attention. Keep yourself out of the conversation. I know this one's hard, and it may be surprising, but it is important. Active listening is not about just sharing your own experiences. It's about keeping an open mind and staying receptive to what the other person is trying to say. If you jump in with your own stories, you might accidentally shift the focus away from them. So instead, just stay neutral, ask clarifying questions, and wait until they're done to respond thoughtfully. These 5 skills, paying close attention, paraphrasing, using good body cues, minimizing distractions, and keeping yourself out of the conversation, are all ways to make others feel heard and valued. So I encourage you to start practicing these today and see how it can change not only your personal life, but your professional life as well. Thank you for listening, Falcons.